Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we'll guide you through the powerful messaging feature in MyKidReports. This tool helps childcare centers stay connected with families, staff, and classrooms effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in using this feature to enhance communication at your center. Let's get started. Accessing the messaging dashboard. To begin, navigate to the messaging section in the MyKidReports dashboard. Here, you'll find 3 tabs: Children, Staff, and Others. Each tab organizes your communication channels for easy access. Children tab displays messages between parents and the center. Staff tab dedicated to internal staff communication. Others tab handles communications across various groups like staff to family or room to family. Under the Children tab, you can view recent messages from parents. Click on any name to open the conversation. This screen shows the entire message history. You can reply directly in the text box below and attach files if necessary. To send a new message, click the New Message button in the top right corner. Select the group you want to message, such as a specific child, staff, or room. You can also select a specific room to message all children or parents in that group. Choose the recipients and click Next to proceed. In the message window, type your message and upload any files or photos if needed. When you're ready, click Send Message to deliver it to your recipients. The Staff tab is designed for internal communication. You can quickly message individual staff members or groups. Just like the Children tab, click on a name to open or respond to a message. You can also select a specific room to message all staff in that group. Choose the recipients and click Next to proceed. In the message window, type your message and upload any files or photos if needed. When you're ready, click Send Message to deliver it to your recipients. Messaging in the Others tab. The Others tab provides flexibility for broader communication needs. Let's explore the subcategories. Staff for internal communication between team members. Staff family enables staff to communicate directly with families. Room family facilitates communication between room teachers and families. Here, the childcare center can see a conversation between 2 staff members. The process for replying and attaching files remains consistent across all tabs. Room to family communication. Room to family communication is seamless. Select the desired room and communicate directly with parents about activities, reminders, or updates. Parents can access messaging by logging into the MyKidReports app and clicking on the Messages icon. This feature allows parents to view and manage all communication in one place. On the parent dashboard, scroll down to see recent messages under My Messages. Click View All Messages to open the full messaging interface. Here, parents can see all ongoing conversations with teachers or the center, categorized by sender. To reply to a message, click on the conversation, type your response, and press Send. For example, parents can confirm attendance for events or inquire about their child's schedule. After composing a new message, parents can also initiate new messages. Tap New Message, select the recipient, e.g., a specific staff member or admin, and type your message. Once complete, hit Send Message. Notifications and updates. Parents can toggle the Show Unread Only option to filter messages they haven't read yet, ensuring no important communication is missed. Staff members can start by accessing the messaging feature directly from their home screen. Simply tap the Messages button to open the staff messaging dashboard. Staff can view messages organized by categories such as individual children, specific rooms, or other staff members. This makes navigating conversations easy and efficient. Managing conversations. Staff can tap on any message from the list to open a detailed chat window. The interface allows them to respond quickly and keep track of previous conversations without switching screens. To send a new message, staff members can select a specific child, room, or staff member from the list. Once selected, they can compose their message and even attach files or photos to provide additional information or updates. Staff can send messages to an entire room at once. They can also filter the recipients to include only checked-in children, ensuring critical updates or announcements reach the relevant audience. To summarize, the messaging feature in MyKidReports allows you to easily communicate with parents, staff, and rooms, attach files or photos for enhanced communication, organize conversations across tabs for clarity, save time and improve engagement with your childcare community. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for updates.